Hi guys, today we're gonna learn about permutation and combination. I took this question from Set B KML paper 2 part A question 2. There's a copy of a question here. You have to combine letters of 26 alphabet randomly to form a 3 letters code. How many 3 letters code begin with consonant and followed by 2 vowels that we can form? So first you have to know that we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels, which is A, E, I, O, U. The most common mistake that student will make is they will straight away say this is 21 because you want to start with consonant, so this is 21 P1, and they will say because you want 2 vowels, so you're gonna do 5 P2. Then they multiply and then they get the answer. This is correct, but you're actually missing out something, because when you choose this case, this is actually just considering the case where the 2 vowels are not the same, but they didn't say you cannot repeat the vowels. So you have to consider the case when the 2 vowels at the end here are the same. So this is actually just one of the case. Let's call it case 1, where the 2 vowels are different. So this is correct. We have to consider case 2, where 2 vowels are the same. So if 2 vowels are the same, how we're gonna do it is, you still have 3 letters to choose from, and the first one we're gonna do 21P1. Let me remind you here, if you do 21P1 it is correct, if you do 21 it is also correct, but if you do 21C1 it is not correct. Alright, because 21C1 you haven't arranged it yet and the concept is not really accurate here. So now you want to choose the vowel which is the same. Let's say we choose the vowel as A and A. So this is actually just 1P1 or 1 and 1P1. Again, if you do 1C1 is not right. Okay, so here you will get the answer as 21. But you have to consider the case where what if it is I, O, U, and E, and so on. So they have 5 vowels. That's why here I'm gonna multiply with 5. If not, actually you have to do 5 times of this. So the answer is 105. The answer for the above is 420. Therefore, the final answer is 420 plus 105, and you get 525. That's how you do it for part A. Let's go on to part B. The question asks for how many 3 letters could contain exactly 1 consonant. This is a bit tricky because I just say you want to contain 1 consonant, but I didn't say where the consonant can be. Therefore, it is a bit different from part A. So in this case, we're gonna do a few cases. So you're gonna contain exactly 1 consonant. The other 2, you don't really mind. So let's say the other 2 vowels are the same. If they are the same, so you only want 1 consonant, so 21C1. In this case, you must choose 1 first, then only you arrange, because if you do P1 means you fix the position there already, so it must be 21C1 first. And because you want the same vowels, let's say it is same like just now, let's say we choose it as A first, so it's gonna be 1C1, 1C1, and after you have all this, then only you do 3 factorial. You want to arrange 3 of them, but then you realize you have actually 2 of the same. That's why you have to do divide by 2 factorial. Okay, this is the case where it is for case where alphabet A. So you have to do for E, and then do for I, O, and U. In other case, in other words, I will just do this answer is 63, and all this I'm going to do just 63 times 5. I'll get 315. This is just for the case where the two vowels are the same. So what if two different vowels? So if there are two different vowels, it's actually easier. So it's 21C1, you choose one of the consonant, and the other two you just 5C2. You have 5 vowels to choose from and you choose 2 of them. Now total you have 3 of the result. You just 3 factorial. Yeah, and you don't have to divide because they are not the same anymore. The answer is 1260. Therefore, the total is 315 plus 1260, 1575. There you go for part B. And the last one, how many 3 letters could begin with a consonant and end with a vowel? Begin with a consonant and end with a vowel. In this case, I didn't say the middle alphabet can be consonant or can be vowels. So we have to do 2 parts. If the middle one is consonant, and then you have to do middle is vowel. 2 cases. But between these 2 cases, you have to consider what if the 2 consonants are the same, and what if the 2 consonants are not the same. Same goes to this. 2 vowels are the same, or 2 vowels are not the same. In which case now we have to split into 2 again. So just now we split into 2, now we split into another 2. This is just to let you understand what we are doing actually. So in this case, when the middle is consonant, so we might have 2 same consonant, as in this consonant and this consonant might be the same. If it's 2 same consonant, so you're gonna have this one exactly the same, so 1 P1 and 1 P1, and these vowels we have 5 P1. So when you have 2 same consonant, this can be the case where it is for B. So you have to do for C, you have to do for D, and then you have to do for F, and then so on for 21 consonant. That's why the result here, which is 21, you will times 5. Sorry. That's why for the result here, you will times 21, and then you'll get 105. That is for the first case. Then you have the second case where the consonant is not the same. Right? So when the 2 consonants are not the same, it is actually a bit easier. So here you have 21, because you have 21 consonant, and after you choose that one consonant, the next one you only have 20 left. The last one is still a vowel, so it's still 5P1. The answer is 2100. That's it. Now we're going into the case where the middle is a vowel. But if the middle is a vowel, so the case is gonna be like this. This is a consonant, this is a vowel, and this is a vowel. So it's gonna be two same vowels. If it's two same vowel, it's gonna be something like just now. So it's gonna be 21P1 and 1P1, 1P1. And actually you have just done this for A. You have to do for E. You have to do for I, O, and U. So all this you just times 5. And answer you get is 105. If the case were two different vowels, like I say, this is even easier because you just have to do 21P1. After that you have 5 vowels to choose from, and then you have 4 vowels to choose from. It gives you the answer 420. So you're gonna sum them up 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the answer is 105 plus 2100 plus 105 plus 420. And the total you get is 2730. I hope you understand. For the final answer, you can always refer to the Google Drive that I uploaded. Alright, thank you.